This is absolutely sensational. Brand new, cleverly thought out, all the amazing mod cons that you can expect. Come and check it out. So as you can see, this property packs a serious punch. The finer details, over 180 square metres, 3 double-sized bedrooms, 2 tiled bathrooms, you got 3 stacking doors facing north out to all your afternoon sun from your living and dining. This is really a place to call home. Welcome to 7A Waterford Place.